Welcome to Ace-Educate. Today, we're revealing 10 essential strategies to help you score a perfect 80 out of 80 in your 10th board English exam. Stick around, especially for tip number 6. It could be the key to your success.
Tip 1. Understanding the syllabus. Start by thoroughly understanding your syllabus. Knowing what to expect and how much each section counts will help you plan your study time effectively.
Tip 2. Literature mastery. To excel in literature, you need to read and understand your texts deeply. Summarize each chapter or poem to reinforce your understanding.
For a story like The Diary of a Young Girl, write a summary of each chapter focusing on key events and character development. This will help you recall important details during the exam.
Tip 3. Grammar proficiency. Master grammar rules to answer related questions confidently. Practice different grammar exercises, such as identifying and correcting errors. If asked to correct a sentence like, "She don't like apples," the correct version is, "She doesn't like apples." Practice such exercises to improve your grammar skills. Tip 4. Reading comprehension. Enhance your reading comprehension by practicing with various passages. Focus on understanding the main idea and supporting details. For example, if a passage discusses the impact of technology on education, identify the main idea, which might be technology has revolutionized the education sector, and note down supporting details from the text.
Tip 5. Writing skills. Effective writing involves using proper formats and clear structures. Practice writing essays, letters, and reports according to their formats. For an essay, structure it with an introduction, body paragraphs, and a conclusion. If asked to write a letter, follow the format: address, date, salutation, body, closing, and signature.
Tip 6. The game-changing tip. Here's the game-changing tip. Time management. Allocate specific times for each exam section to ensure you cover all parts without rushing. For example, if your exam is 3 hours long, plan to spend 1 hour and 20 minutes on literature, 25 minutes on grammar, 30 minutes on reading comprehension, and 45 minutes on writing tasks. Use a timer to help manage your time effectively. Hey, why are leaving? Wait. Don't leave, more amazing tips are there. Tip 7. Exam strategies. During the exam, read instructions carefully. Ensure you understand what each question requires before answering. If a question asks for 3 main themes in a poem, make sure to provide exactly 3 themes. For example, the themes of love, nature, and loss could be your answer if they are the core themes discussed in the poem. Tip 8. Study schedule. Create a study schedule to cover all topics efficiently. Dedicate specific times each day to different subjects or areas. If you study from 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. daily, allocate 1 hour to literature, 30 minutes to grammar, and 30 minutes to writing practice. Remember to include breaks to stay refreshed.
Tip 9. Mental preparation. Stay positive and manage stress. Use relaxation techniques like deep breathing to calm your nerves before the exam. Practice deep breathing by inhaling slowly for 4 seconds, holding for 4 seconds, and exhaling for 4 seconds. This can help reduce exam anxiety.
With these 10 strategies, you're well prepared to ace your 10th board English exam. Don't forget to like more helpful tips. Good luck and see you in the next video.